Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. You know that moment when you don't want an app to appear on your home screen, but you can't delete it? Safari is exactly one of those apps. Whether you don't use the browser often or simply don't want it visible, there is a solution. In this video, I'll show you how to hide Safari from the home screen on your iPhone. So, at the very beginning, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Screen Time section. When you find it, tap on it. Inside the Screen Time menu, look for the option called Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap on it. If this option is not enabled, tap the switch to turn it on. Once that's done, you'll now see a variety of settings. Here, find the option called Allowed Apps and Features, and tap on it. Once you're in, you'll see a list of apps that are currently allowed. All you need to do is find Safari in the list and toggle the switch next to it off. When you do this, Safari will immediately disappear from the home screen and won't be visible again until you turn the option back on. Now you can go back to your home screen and you'll see that Safari is no longer there. The app has been successfully hidden and can't be opened until it's re-enabled through the Screen Time settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.